Fairfax County 911. Where's your emergency?
Oh my God, their house is on fire. I see the flames.
Calm down, ma'am. What is the address?
Oh, I'm not sure. It's our neighbor's house next door.
What is your address?
It's 9106 Ox Road.
Is this a house or a townhouse?
It's a house.
And is this neighbor to the right or the left of your house?
It's the house to the left. Please send somebody. It's spreading.
I'm dispatching the fire department. What's your name?
Susan Miller.
What's your callback number?
It's 703-555-5555. I see flames coming from the back of their house. Oh, get someone out here. I think they're all asleep.
How many people live there?
Oh my God, the flames are just shooting up to the roof. It may catch our house on fire. Our house is so close.
Susan, please stay with me here. I'm sending help. How many people live in the house?
5. Bill, go get them. There are people inside.
Ma'am, I don't want anyone going into the house. If he can safely bang on the door or yell to them, have him do that, but do not go inside. And if you think your house may catch fire, you need to get everyone out just in case.
Okay, Bill, just bang on the door. Don't go in. We need to get the kids outside.
Are you on a cordless phone?
Yes.
Okay, stay on the phone with me, but go outside. I want you to tell me if you see the neighbors or if you think they're still inside.
Why isn't someone coming? Oh my God, the flames are everywhere. Oh, I see the neighbors. Oh, they're in the front of the house now. Oh, thank God. They are out. Why are you still on the phone with me? You should be coming out here.
I have units on their way. They're getting there as fast as they can. Are you sure everyone is out of the house?
Tammy, is everyone out?
Yes, we're all here. I don't know what happened. I think I left a candle burning.
Yes, they're all out. She thinks it was a candle that started the fire.
Have the flames extended to your house?
No, but it looks like they will soon. Oh, the fire trucks are here now.
If they are there, you can hang up with me.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.